Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Audible books. So first of all, on the Audible you wanna search for the book that you wanna download. In my case I'm going to search for the books that are in the Plus catalog, so they are, in the subscription. I don't need to pay for them, and let's say I want to download this one. So first of all I want to add it to the library, and let's go view it in the library. And now, as you can see, I do have this download icon right here, so just click on it. As you can see, now it is downloading. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!